Here's the deal. If we don't laugh, the comedian strips. If we laugh, the stripper strips.
I'm not stripping.
She's prepared. She's got layers.
Yes, well, welcome to Strip Down Stand-Up. It takes a lot to satisfy a girl like me. It really does. My old vibrator took 6 AA batteries. My new one takes 10 gallons of super unleaded.
Greg, I am the Hebrew hairdresser.
I think I just got pregnant. That's another one. You know what? You know how you can tell if pearls are real? You run them over your teeth. You should see what I had to run over my teeth to get these pearls.
Take it off, Rob!
I'm Bradley Halton. I tell jokes.
Hi, I'm Cherry Pop Pop Poppins. I am the MILF of burlesque.
This is gonna go well, I think, Cherry.
I have an 11-year-old daughter, and shopping for clothes for her recently, and it was very uncomfortable. Turns out she's almost in a size slut, you guys.
That was a bad joke. Yes, sir. We are having fun now, aren't we, bitches?
Good to have y'all. Doing a strip down stand-up. Gonna keep my clothes on.
Let me tell you something. Viagra has the exact same effect on our little guy that it's gonna have on your guy's guy, which was really cool for like the first 15 minutes. I was like, fuck yeah. Ooh, feels so good. And then all of a sudden my vagina became like the Audrey 2 from Little Shop of Horrors. And I was like, feed me dick!
He is a total clit tease.
He is.
Abby, take something off, girl. That's tit for tat. Now we're getting somewhere.
We are.
That is sphincter looking good. Yes, sir.
Hi, I'm Jordan, and I am ready to get naked and or funny.
Ow!
Not naked though.
Yeah, I got an idea. How about we get all the guy strippers up here? Abby, grow some balls. Do you want mine? I don't need them. And you know, I haven't had the big surgery yet. It's fucking expensive, you guys. It's gonna cost me an arm and a cock, I swear to God.
All I can say is I'm having a damn good time. I hope the rest of you are having fun.
My name is Rick Bryan. How are you?
I'll make this bitch explode right here. Yeah, shit. Take it off. You hear them laughing? Fuck it. I believe you. Yeah. So
I love my job.
how many parents we got with us tonight? Here, cheers to all the parents out here neglecting their children this evening. I was gonna bring mine in, but then I heard there were strippers, so I left them in the car.